So hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the problem string game from today's contest starters 86 division 2. So moving on to the problem. So problem state that we are given two persons which are playing a game on a binary string s of length n, where the first person goes for the playing the first move, and it can do, it can select any index I such that the current character and the next character are different, and remove that two characters from that string and concatenate the string. After that, the next player will play the move in which he will again select a particular index I, which are in which the current particular position and next character are different, and he will again remove these two characters from that string and concatenate the left and right string. In this way, we have to find whether the first player can move or second player can move. If they both play optimally, a player will lose the game whenever he can't play a move. So moving towards the solution, suppose we are given a string 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 and 0, right? So we will see total how many number of moves we can play. If we pick these two first, and in the next move, suppose if so in the first we will try to find the number of moves we can play if we go from left to right. So 1 and 0 will be the first move, this 1 and 0 will be the next move, this 0 and 1 will be the next move, this 0 and 1 will be the next move, this 0 and 1 will be the next move. Right now we know that this particular number of characters had been removed. Now this one and this 0 will concatenate and it will become 1 and 0. Now again it's also different characters, this one will be a one move. So total number of moves we are performing here are these 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Total number of 6 moves we are performing. So now let us check whether if we perform the operation from right to left, or in any other case whether the number of moves are changing or not. It is 1 and 0 0 1. If we perform operation from right to left, what happen? Let's check. So one move, this is one move, this is one move, this is one move, this is one move, and see this 1 and 0 will again create a next move which can be considered in the play. So total number of 1 2 3 4 5 6 moves are also happening here. Again let us play any random move. So if we play a move at the mid of this string, so this will be a move, 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 this will be a move. Again there is this move, that is total number of 6 moves are happening here. So the main observation we are getting here is that if we play move in any direction at any position, the total number of moves at the end will be same, and it will be exactly a even one or odd number. That is obvious, but this was the main logic of this problem, that the total number of moves at the end will be same. Finding the total number of moves is another problem. So now we will find the total number of moves that can be played in the entire game. So this is our string. What we will do, we'll go from left to right and we will create a stack here. This problem can be solved by a stack data structure. There can be multiple ways, but I have choose stack as the best option. So what I will do, first 1 has came, so I will find whether 1 is in our stack, because my main intuition was that if there is 0 at this particular position, and if at the stack top of the stack if 1 is present, then this will contribute a move and we will remove that particular one. So at first integer I will be point here, right? So if stack is empty, I will put that particular element in the stack, and in the next iteration I will be here. Now stack is not empty and we have 0, so we will find whether the top of the stack is different element or not. If it is different element, then it will be considered as a move. Sorry for the disturbance. So 0 and 1 will be contribute a move, and we will remove this one. We will not push this 0 because it has been considered in a move and it can't be used in further moves, right? Again the stack is empty. For this particular position we will put 1 here. Again we will put 1 because it is not matching with this front element. This is 1, it is appearing as 2. Sorry for my worst drawing. Now it has come 0, as 1 and 0 are different elements, so we will increment 1. Counter was initially 1. At this position it was incremented to 1. Now again this 0 and this 1 are not exactly the same, so we will increment our counter and we will remove this element. Again 0 and 1 are not same, again we will increment counter and remove this element. Now 1 has came, so we will push 1. Again 0 has come, these are not these are different, so we will remove this one and increment our counter 4. Now stack is empty, we will push this 1. Now 0 has come, stack is not empty, we will see whether it's different or not. It's different, so we will remove this element and increment our counter, it will be 5. Now again stack is empty, we will push 0. Now at this position stack is not empty and they are not matching, so we will increment our counter and remove this. So total number of ways are 6. So the main intuition of this problem of you have done the balanced parenthesis, it's just the same problem with the same logic to find the number of moves, and if the number of moves are odd, then the first person will be the winner, otherwise the second person will be the winner. So I will show you the code. So this is the code of this problem. I have taken n and string as input and created a data structure stack, and I have initialized the count variable which will be maintaining the count, and for each integer from I to n-1, for each index I am first checking if stack is empty or not. If stack is empty, I will push that current character. If stack is not empty and the current character is not matching with the top of the character, I will increment the counter as I said, and I will pop that element from the stack. Otherwise if they are matching, so we have to push that element into the stack, and if the count is even, then we will print the second element Ramos, otherwise we will print the first elements less than. So this was all about the solution of this problem. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment section. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you so much.